Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 1. Watashi, I. Watashi tachi, we. Anata, you. Ano hito, ano kata, that person. Minasan, everyone. Nani-nani-san, Mr. or Mrs. Nani-nani-chan, suffix added to a child's name. Nani-nani-kun, suffix added to a boy's name. Nani-nani-jin, a nationality. Sensei, teacher, referring to others. Kyushi, teacher, referring to one's own job. Gakse, student. Kaishain, company employee. Shain, employee. Ginkuen, bank employee. Isha, doctor. Kenyusha, researcher. Engineer, engineer. Daigaku, university. Buin, hospital. Denke, electricity, light. Dare, donata, who. Nani-nani-sai, years old. Nansai, oikutsu, how old. Hai, yes. Iie, no. Shitsuri desu ga, excuse me, but. Onamai wa? What's your name? Informal. Hajimemashite, how do you do? Introducing oneself for the first time. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Pleased to meet you. Kochira wa san desu. This is someone. Karakimashita. I'm from country. America. America. Igirisu. UK. Indu. India. Indonesia. Indonesia. Kankoku. Korea. Thai. Thailand. Deutsche. Germany. France. France. Brazil. Brazil. Nihon. Japan. Philippines. Philippines. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. God bless.